Hello, mabuhay, and welcome to my Pinoy accent. Sen. Hello, today I'm going to cut our grass. This lawn, I will mow it today, and I'm going to show you how it is done. So I have to go, not this grass cutter or not that lawnmower, but I will use that one. So to check if the fuel is enough. So it's full, so it must be enough. And then of course you must have the key to start it, and we're ready to ramble. You start this lawnmower, this McCulloch Lawnmower. First you have to sit properly, and then you have to be sure that this lever is on the ignition button, because this is the speed of the lawnmower. Then you have to put this lever forward, and then just click on the key to ignite it. Now it's done. Now it's just started. Adjust the speed here. Then we can start cutting the grass. To cut the grass, we have to put or adjust the setting of the how high it should be. It's either 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The shorter it gets is the lesser the number. So 1 is the shortest, and 6 is a little bit higher. And then when we put that, for example, for this case, I want to do it on 4, so I put it on 4. And then on this part, you have to put this forward like that, and then it will start cutting the grass. Basically that's it. That's how you cut grass. So easy, using this McCulloch grass cutter machine or lawnmower. And thanks for watching. This is me saying, always smile, because it will make your life even more beautiful. Bye bye.